Hello and welcome. Now today I want to show you this, a 14-inch digital picture frame from Arzopa, and how this is the perfect gift for you to share your photos, videos and memories with your friends and your family. Now if you want to buy this frame, there are links to buy this in the description below. So I got this then, the Arzopa D14 digital photo frame, and quickly got unboxing it. It comes in a beautifully presented box, and inside was the manual, the frame itself, and a long, decent black power cable. On the frame itself are some instructions on how to set it up, but really it's so easy I doubt you'll ever need these. On the main screen is a QR code which can be used to connect friends and family to this frame, and you can share photos and videos with them, which I'll talk about later. It's a fantastic way for someone who could be on the other side of the world to instantly share photos of themselves and it appear on your frame. So a nice touch here is to be able to send someone like a gift, which is any photo that you have on your phone or your frame. It's dead easy. Just while in the process of setting up the app, click the link that says a frame as a gift. Then click create virtual gift code. Then add their name. Then add their location. And then any greeting you fancy putting in. Then finally add some photos and click the tick at the top. And then you are given a gift code to send to someone. Then what they do on their frame is they enter that gift code onto their frame, and the photo and the message then appears. The frame is a stunning 14-inch IPS anti-glare screen surrounded by a durable high-end gold type frame, giving it an authentic feel. On the back is a metallic desktop stand which can be used if you don't want to wall mount it. But there are hooks there to wall mount it if you want, either landscape or in portrait orientation. But for my setup, I'm using the supplied leg and placing it on my windowsill in full view of the whole room. Now on the bottom of the frame there are 5 ports, one for SD card, one for headphones or speaker, a USB-A, a USB-C and a power. So the first thing to do then is plug in the power and the frame comes to life. Setup is very simple. All you do is turn on the frame, connect it to Wi-Fi, download the Arzopa app and start uploading. And really, that's it. That's all you need to do. But there is a lot more that can be done if you want to. So let's start adding photos then. There are 3 ways to add photos: via the SD card, USB or via Wi-Fi. For me, using Wi-Fi is the easiest. So as I said before, I have the app, I registered, and in here you can add as many photos as you like. Simply click add photos, select photos from your phone, and after a brief upload it appears on the frame. If you don't want to use the app, you can import them from a USB stick or an SD card. Just plug it in, select what you want to transfer, and the frame does the rest. Perfect if you don't want to view your photos while being online. Not only does it display photos, but you can also upload your videos with sound, as there is an inbuilt speaker, or as we looked at before, you can attach a speaker through the 3.5mm aux port on the back. So as well as the viewing experience, there's also a social aspect to this. So imagine you sharing photos from a relative across the world. They share a photo of their holiday, it uploads to you in your frame, and you can give it instant feedback to that photo by liking it directly from the screen with a double tap. A fantastic way to connect with friends and family. So now is a good time then to show you the screen and how good it is. Firstly and most importantly, it's very responsive with hardly any lag. You can do most of the functions via the frame itself, including managing photos, changing settings, and of course liking photos that have been shared. Uploading is very easy and you have unlimited cloud storage for all your photos and video memories. And one thing I really like is the ability to create a playlist. So let's call this one Christmas Memories. And with this, anyone who is connected to the frame can upload photos into this playlist. Playlists can be added via the app or on the frame itself. Then within that playlist you can filter all the photos, sorting them by file type or by source. Now with several playlists set up, you can chop and change what you want to show at any one time. Maybe you want to share holiday photos, so create a holiday playlist, but then want to change it to the Christmas memories, simply click to that one. Or just show them all by selecting the All Files playlist. Finally then is up in the settings. You can change the frame name, you can add members, you can set language, time and date, and what I like most is to be able to set a sleep timer so that the frame comes on and off at set times through the week. You can also set the brightness and volume for when you also have videos playing. So there it was, then a look at the Arzopa D14 digital photo frame. It's a very good quality frame with superb features, and I'll leave links down below of where you can purchase it in the description below. So please do ask any questions. If you have anything you'd like to know, please do drop down in the comments section where we or anyone else in the community will try and answer for you. So that's it then. That was my look at the Arzopa D14 digital photo frames. A great way to share photos and a great way to share memories with friends and family. It's a very good quality frame with superb features, and I'll leave links down below of where you can purchase it in the description below.